Hi everyone. In today's video we will be looking at the most basic and important laptop maintenance process. That's right, cleaning your laptop. I'm sure you've seen those images online where laptops are caked in dust and debris, and at that point they're already in the repair shops. It can really cause some permanent damage through overheating, and no one wants that. Before that happens, we'll show you how easy it is as well as some preventative tips for keeping the inside of your laptop clean. To start off, you're going to need a few tools. First one being a screwdriver. The size will vary from laptop to laptop, and some laptops even have different sized screws, so if you don't have one at all, then I'd suggest buying a set like this. That's it. That's all you really need. Everything else I use will be optional, but it'll help. Among them are spudgers, brushes, and tweezers. We'll get into their uses later when we talk about the actual process. Speaking of, the very first step you'll want to do is to put your laptop on a stable, clean surface. Carefully flip it over and check where the screws are. Unscrew them all using your screwdriver and put them aside, preferably in some sort of container or even on a piece of tape. It's really important you don't lose these screws, or any screws for that matter. Next, take your spudger and carefully pry open the laptop cover. The spudgers are just specialized tools for this job. You could maybe find something similar lying around in the house that could do the job, something like a ruler or a card. You should be scared to apply too much force, because the latches could break off. Once you've done that, put the cover aside and look for what looks like fans. These are the cooling fans of your laptop and where a lot of air goes through, thus where all the dust accumulates. If you have a brush, then use it to brush off any dust on the fan blades. While doing this, you'll want to hold the blades still because it could damage the fans otherwise. If this is your first time cleaning your laptop ever, then it's probably already filled with gunk and hairs such. Use a pair of tweezers if you have them and pull any of those out that you see. If you don't, then just use your fingers. Now, that pretty much covers the most basic cleaning procedures, which will be sufficient if you do it regularly. Reattach the cover and screw everything up nice and tight and you're all done. If you think all this is too tedious, then the least you could do is slow down the dust from building up in the first place by not putting your laptop directly on the bed. We also recommend a laptop stand to improve air circulation on any surface you put your laptop on, but you should still do monthly cleaning even with these preventative measures. And that should wrap up the video. Again, this is the most basic maintenance you can do for your PC, including your desktop, which will be our next video. 0 to 1 plans to tell you more things you can do to upkeep your PCs in the future, so subscribe to our channel to see them when they get uploaded, and give the video a like if you think it's been helpful to you. With that, we look forward to seeing you again.